about how can you add tags on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on taxes here and the GC here, click on it. So then you come to this list and here can you choose your country here or country you're living in. I'm going to click here on Canada for example here. So then it's going to take us to this list and here click here on collect in your region here. So then here can you select, I'm going to select this for example. So it's for example here, I'm going to click here, this country, and here add your sales tax ID here. So then you click in this sign. So when you're down on this, when you fold this sign here, you come to, and so I have no sales tax here, that's why they send to me this. So here add your region, and here overrate, and here products overrates, and here shipping overrates, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.